Just came back, drop off some groceries. Show them the tweezers, bro.
Bro, look at this, bro. They fancy out here in Riobamba, bro.
What are those?
Little clappers, clap cheeks, and grab gummy worms, bro.
Yeah.
Man! You want candy? You want candy?
No.
The lollipop?
Wait, I mean, that's for like the next 2 weeks, bro.
Bro, I'm just gonna give her the whole thing and never buy anything for her.
Bro. Some secret friend type stuff going on.
What are you
Oh
talking
yeah, bro. Lollipop.
She was in lunch today, she was like,
Alright.
I don't even think I.
Alright. What vlog? We just came up to this park. Look at the water, bro. I'm saying, this place is beautiful. Can't even explain how beautiful mountains are. Imagine a mountain in Chicago, on the Rio. The alligator one?
are y'all down, like, for real?
Maybe.
Are y'all down?
Spanish.
Bro, you're lying.
Oh, dang.
It's definitely sick. It's definitely sick.
Hey, we driving, bro?
Hey, gracias, señor.
Let's go, bro.
Hey, mom, I'm in a boat in Ecuador, bro.
Pedal and I got you.
I ain't use it all trip.
Alright.
This is so sketchy.
It's hard as fuck.
We're in a boat.
We gotta start rocking this boat.
Oh, no.
Still got what, like 10 minutes?
We still got like 15 minutes.
Hey, y'all want some chips?
Yeah.
The in-boat accommodations, bro.
Oh, you got the good chips.
Hey, you gotta chill, mom.
I almost put my feet in the water. I don't know why. It's so cold.
Like, just put your shoes in the water?
Yeah.
Oh. Ah, ya me cansé! Can you steer, motherfucker?
Do y'all want me to shoot?
Yes, bitch!
Alright.
Alright, ready, go fast.
Alright, we got 2 pedalers, we got a driver, and then we got the passengers, bro. We chilling, bro.
This shit funny as. Alright, you gotta go faster. Come on, bro. Honestly, you could do it, bro.
Y'all you want to switch?
Yeah, we can switch it.
Hold on. Would it tip over though? We can't move for shit. We can't move at all, bro.
Hey, were the Olympics here in 1926?
Yeah, the first ever Olympics.
Dang!
Right there.
Primer Estadio Olímpico.
That's where they kept the torch.
Don't, where?
Bro, how the hell are we gonna like
they
turn
had,
in that
yeah.
bitch? Like,
No, it broke? No way.
It didn't break.
Bro, thank God. Come on. Hard left, hard left.
Oh, that's alright. Jared, bro, you gotta.
Come on. Like, even the dog is staring at us.
Jesus
Guess this thing I ever done in fucking Ecuador, bro.
In Ecuador.
We might have to turn around.
You wanna go back? Alright, we'll make a loop here.
Are we content with ours?
Yeah.
It was worth it, bro.
The fucking workout is
worth the knowledge,
Do you think Chris would ever believe us that we were on a boat in Ecuador, bro? Are we telling Chris or are we letting him find out on the YouTube vid, bro?
I don't know if we could tell him that.
yeah, I don't know.
But this would be such a funny story. We got a crowd watching us, bro. The niños.
The gringos.
The gringos of Chicago.
I'm not a gringo, sorry.
Yeah, we should wear more shit.
By association, you are a gringo.
Sorry, bro. I know that's fucking rude.
Yo, low-key?
Oh!
A little famous, are we?
Yeah.
A little famous.
By
By being mostly gringo. And American. The American socks are giving it away. Lean, no!
Oh shit! Take that mug! Miles, bro!
I weigh too much. Whatever way I lean is just gonna.
Tell them where to park it.
That's right.
¿Dónde está el park? Oh.
Bro, the park is right here.
We're literally at the park.
I meant like how to park. I don't know park in
Oh,
Spanish.
just slam into the dock. Just
Ask him, bro. Ask him.
Park
fucking
to
park.
park
Ask him,
dock.
Jerry. Ask him where to park.
And he said he pointed back at. What are you doing? Turn right.
Parallel parking.
Yeah, this is gonna be
You got
perfect.
turn
I
right.
got you, bro. Not yet. Ready? Hey, we finna hit this backwards. Alright, ready?
No.
Alright, ready? Hey,
Backwards?
backwards.
No way.
Okay. Nice.
See?
Step
We
one.
finna hit this backwards, bro.
You bought a parallel?
You're about
We're parallel parking, bro.
parallel parking a boat.
This kid is running the whole business. Oh. Alright, that concludes our boat ride.
That was funny as hell, man. Good shit, good shit.
That was crazy.